Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt DMC 548 high cap rotary screener. This unit has been upgraded for industrial duty. In a minute we will discuss what that means. This unit was completely disassembled, sandblasted. Anything that needed repaired was repaired. And then we sprayed it with this heavy duty battleship gray enamel. I like how it makes this unit look. This unit is set up to screen corn. It has corn screens. Wouldn't take much to change the screens. This unit has all new bearings. Every bearing on this unit was replaced with new. We put new rims and tires on this unit. Again, this unit was upgraded for industrial duty. That means we give you a duplicate of every belt on this unit, a duplicate of every bearing. We also went ahead and never seized all of the pulleys and the bearings. In case one of these bearings was to go out, that makes changing it easy. We've done all of this to limit downtime when it's go time. Another feature to the industrial duty upgrade is that all of the bearings are greasable. Typically, these units are equipped with ungreasable sealed bearings, and those are all right until they start going out or they start growling, and you can't do anything about that. With the industrial duty upgrade, you have greasable bearings throughout the machine. Every bearing on this unit has a grease zert. That means you can give it a couple shots of grease every year, and then it is very unlikely that the bearings would go out at all. That's a very handy upgrade. It's a very nice feature. Again, with sealed bearings, there's no real way to grease them. With the industrial duty upgrade, we've solved that problem. We're just walking around the machine, then we will show you video of it running. This unit has all new belts, all new bearings. It has duplicates of every belt, duplicates of every bearing. The industrial duty package minimizes downtime when it's go time. We also put a new screw into this unit, and the new screw has the thick super edge. You can see it right there. The edge of the screw is thicker. Means it's going to last a lot longer. That's another part of the industrial duty upgrade. Again, we put new wheels and tires on this unit. You can see the bottom here, it's in excellent shape. Wiring is all good. Motors are in excellent condition. Looking up underneath of the unit, you can see that we've got a new idler there, and then again, a greasable bearing. Everything was fully serviced. Again, this unit was completely disassembled. Everything was sandblasted. Let me remove this guard. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Now we have access to the drive. Now another thing we did as part of the industrial duty upgrade is we did away with the machined cast iron bearing housing that takes press-in bearings, and we upgraded it to these pillow block bearings. We did that because these are common. They do the same job, they hold up just as well, but if one bearing was to go out, it is much easier to source a common pillow block bearing than it is a press-in type. And when it's go time and you have a bearing go out, you need parts availability. You don't want to have to order or try to find a special part. We've simplified this unit, and that is another awesome part of this industrial duty upgrade. You can turn the unit by hand. Motors are in excellent shape. Everything has been redone on this unit. It might as well be new. You can see everything turns freely by hand. In a minute we will fire it up so you can see it run. You can see this is where your corn is introduced. I will fold out the auger so that you can see how that looks when it is deployed. Right now it's in storage mode. Pull up on that pin and it swings out this way. We can see the electrical box here We've got a rain guard on it. The switches are labeled screen and auger. The auger switch powers the in-feed auger. The screen switch powers the rotating screen. This unit is powered by single phase, 220 volts. It's an all-around nice unit. Again, this unit might as well be new. It was completely disassembled, sandblasted, thoroughly repainted. This unit will perform just as good as a new one and not cost near as much. This unit also comes with this plastic hopper. This is used on the in-feed auger. Just walking around the unit. In a minute we will fire it up. This motor up here was completely rebuilt. It has all new bearings. It's ready to perform. The entire unit has new bearings throughout. New screw. It's been improved and upgraded. It is ready to perform. Here you can see the in-feed auger on the ground and deployed. Again, this black plastic hopper over there goes right up underneath of this, helps funnel the grain into this in-feed auger. You can see how it's deployed. You can see how that arm swings around and that pin locks in. You can see the discharge of the in-feed auger. This is where your unclean grain is deposited into the screens. It hits this chute, gets ran through the screens. The screens take out the large trash and the fine trash. Then clean corn comes out the discharge here. We will be selling this unit two ways. The first way is as you see it now, with no small 4-inch cull auger. The cull auger takes the screenings after they are deposited out the bottom there, up and away, and discharges them into a gravity flow wagon or a bulk container. The second way we would sell this unit is with a 4-inch cull auger attachment. We would build a cull auger and then attach it to the side of the unit. We would come up with a metal pipe and create a jib grain, for lack of a better term, with a cable winch that would swing out when it's time to use the cull auger, and it would hold the cull auger up by the cable. And then when the cull auger is no longer in use, it would swing that way. You would tighten up your cable, and then you would dock the 4-inch auger right here on the side. Again, we are selling this unit two ways, without the 4-inch cull auger to take the culls away, and then with a custom built 4-inch cull auger for an additional fee. All right, we've got the unit hooked up to power. Again, this unit runs on 220 volts single phase. Both of the motors are in excellent condition. We've got our electrical here with a rain cover. The first switch turns on the rotary screen. Again, this unit has all new bearings. Mesh has been checked. It's in good shape. This unit was completely disassembled and sandblasted, repainted with some high wear paint. Everything was gone through. Might as well be a new one. Again, with the industrial duty package, you get duplicates of every bearing, duplicates of every belt. We put this heavy duty screw in here with the super edge. You can see that there. Hums right along, works as it should. This unit has corn screens. Additional screens can be gotten. It's not hard to replace them, takes a Saturday afternoon. This is where your care package is. That's where your additional bearings go. Now we're going to fire up the in-feed auger. You can see we've got the switches tagged here. In-feed auger fires right up. See it turning there. We put a greasable bearing on the carrier end, right where the grain goes in. Typically that's just a bronze impregnated bushing. This means you can actually service it. You don't just have to watch it wear out. And again, you have duplicates of these bearings. So if one of them was to go out, you can replace it. Minimizes downtime. An all-around nice unit. This motor was completely rebuilt. All new bearings. It's ready to roll. All new belts. All new bearings throughout the machine. An all-around nice unit. It's ready to perform as good as a new one. With our industrial duty upgrade, means it's actually serviceable. You can keep the bearings greased. You have replacements. Also has the flighting with the super edge. All of the bearings have been never seized, so if you do ever have to change one, they come off easily. Going to minimize the amount of downtime. The drive bearings in there, like I said, they've been changed over to a standard pillow block type. Before it was the old canister type bearing. That would be hard to source when it's go time. With the standard pillow block bearings, you can just grab those off the shelf if you ever need a replacement. We wanted to outfit this unit, make it easy to service, make it easy to fix, so that you don't have any special order parts when it's go time. We've test ran this unit for quite a while. Everything works as it should. This unit is ready to go out and perform as good as a new one and not cost as much. This rotary screener and other rotary screeners, all makes, all models, larger and smaller, and of different conditions, can be bought from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.